I've reviewed a lot of accessories for this car, but this one is by far one of my favorites. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Tesla. What if I told you there was an affordable and easy way to upgrade your Tesla aero caps? Let's get into it. So at the bottom of the box, you gotta look for it, but you'll get a package with some foam tape, some gloves, as well as these center caps. So you gotta look at the bottom. I kind of missed it the first time because I put the old rims back in, so they're in there. So with the foam tape, I actually ended up installing one of these before I realized there was tape in the box. But you notice there's a bit of wear. This will make contact with your rim, this little section here. So what we're gonna do is, you can tell here, this one here, like, made a little contact right here. So we're gonna put some foam tape around it just to protect both this and the rim. All right, so we're gonna do that for all four wheels, and we're gonna go ahead and put them on. All right, first thing we're gonna do is gonna get rid of these boring old aero caps. One thing you wanna do first is clean your rims. I know from the original aero caps that dirt is usually the main culprit for any types of scratching. Okay, here we are with the Yeslak covers. We have the foam installed on the other side, so we're just gonna install them. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna line up the valve stem, which is down here. And what I noticed, it's not like your regular aero caps where you just push them in and they kind of go in. You really have to kind of work at these. And what I've noticed is that if you do one spoke at a time and push it in like that and just work your way around the wheel, is the best way. So that is in. There you go. So then we're going to install the center cap here. So for the center console cap, we are just going to remove this red tape at the back for the adhesive. I'm just going to stick that on right there. Or not. All right, you can see from that video that this little guy did not stick properly to the wheel. I'm assuming it's because it's obviously cold out. It was probably 5 degrees out, Celsius. So with 3M tape back here, you kind of need a bit warmer, so about 20 degrees or even higher. So I got my hair dryer. I'm just going to warm it up a bit and see if that works. So that definitely did the job. So just if you have issues, just make sure this is warm enough. If you're doing it in California, no issues. If you're doing it in Canada, Northern Ontario, then you might want to use a hairdryer, or do it inside at least. One thing I'm concerned about is because this cap basically connects to the wheel over here with this little metal tab over here, I'm concerned it might rub over here. And I can see, I took this one off just to see if there was any contact. And you can see over here that there is a bit of stuff out. So just over here, like you can see, there's just a bit of rub. So I'm just gonna make sure that it comes off. Yeah, so it just rubs right off. So there's no actual scratching or anything like that. You can see there, right over here, like it just rubbed off. No scratch or anything. All right, so the reason these are my favorite accessory is because there's so many good options for them. If you are tired of your boring base wheels, you get these, you get upgraded to an Uberturbine. And the best part is it's not going to cost you the cost of upgrading your entire wheel package. So you just slap these covers on and you basically have the look of an Uberturbine or whatever one you get. Induction, you get performance, whatever look you want, basically for the same price as an aero cap wheel. Another good use for these is if you live in an area where you have winter tires like I do, basically I bought another set of aero wheels because they're cheap. They're just like the standard bottle. So what I can do now is take these off and put them on the winter tires so easily. And I still get the same awesome look of these ones. And one hidden feature, which I was not expecting, is that it actually hides your curb rash. So if you have wheels that already have curb rash, this is going to take care of that. You're not going to see them again. And the other benefit is if you do end up damaging these, you can just buy one of these off and replace it. So no big deal. So with the Model 3, you have different options. You get the 18 or 19-inch wheels. They come with either performance, Uberturbine, which is these ones, as well as arachnid. There's a few other choices. For the Model Y, you can get either 19 or 20. You get the performance, induction, arachnid, and a few others. And they all come in different colors, so you can get slate gray or black. These are black Uberturbines. Now, these retail for about $250 to around $300, depending on which model you choose. That's US dollars, of course. If you want to get yourself some of these, head over to Yeslak.com. I'll have the link in the description and use promo code Northern Tesla for 20% off. That is huge, 20% off. All right, so that does it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. You get better accessories, better reviews, better content in general for you and your Tesla. So hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I release about every week or so. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric. There are so many good uses for these, which is amazing. And there's tons of other awesome, they're a lot cheaper. It's a good budget option. If you're going to save some money, get like I said in the intro, this is one of my favorite accessories, and I'll tell you why. There's lots of different reasons. First off, it's a good budget option. If you're saving money trying to get the base wheels on your Tesla, so like either the 18s or the 19s, you get the aero caps, and obviously your wheel tires. So they actually have a lot of